I thought I was reading. Okay. Wow. Hold this. The first thing you have to do to put on, what is it called? Baby lips. You gotta undo it. You see? You have two pieces now. You see? So it was before. You slip it off. You see, I say that because, I thought you twisted it up. Anyways. See, you twist this to the right. See? Comes out. Yeah. Anyways. And then you do the bottom lip, right? Go 1, 2, and then you do the top of your lip. 1, 2, and then you close it. See? Then you put the lip back on, you see? And then you smile and take pictures. Smile and take pictures. And then you smile and take pictures. Don't forget the smile. Don't forget it. And how to cose the lid. Parfait.